I don't know about you, but I'm still dizzy. I don't know about you, but I'm still dizzy. What? Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Why?
Because I want to see you canter her. I don't know why.
Alright. Ready?
Oh, yeah.
You're hot?
She's like, wants to go.
Look at muscles.
There you go. You have to hold her back the whole time. Yeah, it's funny that you have to hold her back the whole time. Oh, I love burro horses.
Oh.
She was really starting to dig.
Alright, let's go. Woo!